day, Grade 2. Welcome to our discussion for Arts 2, the painting. Painting is a form of art that can help you express your ideas, feelings, and thoughts. It is also the process of applying colors on the surface of a paper, a fabric, or a canvas. Different paint materials such as acrylic paint, poster paint, watercolor, or oil paint are used for painting. The person who creates painting is a painter. A painter usually paints nature because nature shows some important elements of arts that you can use creatively. You can see a lot of shapes, lines, colors, and textures in nature. In creating a painting, we also use these shapes, colors, lines, and textures. So let's talk about these shapes in painting. Shape is, shape is a form of the outer edge or surface of something. And there are types of shapes. These are the geometric shapes and the organic shapes. Geometric shapes are defined as shapes that have regular appearance and are typically man-made using machine. So, example of geometric shapes are the square, rectangle, triangle, oval, circle, trapezoid, pentagon, and the hexagon. So, those are shapes. And when I say organic shape, these are defined as a shape that are irregular or asymmetrical in appearance and tend to have a curvy flow to them. Nearly all shapes found in nature are organic in appearance, just like these examples. So I have here this one. This is a cloud. This one is a lightning that we can find in nature. This is a moon, and this is the sun, leaf, and a bird. So again, when we say organic, these are the shapes that we can find in nature. And when we say geometry, it is the shape that is human-made or it has an edges. So let's proceed to texture. Texture is the smoothness or roughness of an object, or it is describe how the surface of an object feels. There are two types of texture. We have the visual texture and the actual texture. Actual texture is a texture you can actually see, feel, and touch. Example is this girl. This girl hold or can touch a fish. And this one, the girl holding her dog. These two girls can feel it, can see it, and can touch it. So in short, it is actual or it is real. Next one is the visual texture. When we say visual texture, is it a texture you can see but cannot feel and touch. Example is this one. The picture of the animals or the fishes under the sea. And this one, the picture of your dog. Can you see the difference between the actual and the visual texture? In our first example in actual texture, the girl is holding a fish. She can see it, she can touch it, and she can feel it. While in visual texture, we have here the picture of a fish underwater. So you can see the fish, but you cannot touch it and feel it. While in the second example, we have there the dog. In actual texture, the girl holding a dog or her dog, and she can feel the smoothness of the fur of her dog, and she can touch. So that is the shape and texture in painting. So those two is important in painting because most of the, or not most, all of the artists or the painter use the shape and the texture to beautify or to have a unique paint or artwork. So I hope you learned something for today. Thank you for watching and listening. Till next time.